So just to give a quick example of supply and demand zones or support and resistance, here is an example on GJ, also known as GBPJPY. So anyway, so basically you can identify a support level or a demand zone based on a number of touches. So if we're looking at this, I already got my line drew out, but basically it's because I saw the support here, I saw support here, and then if we go down the line, this is also known as resistance, although it doesn't completely touch, but it goes up close enough. And then here, this is a support. This can be considered a support. And then down here, we kind of see some support. So it doesn't really have to be 100% on the line. Now, there's gonna be a lot of gaps like this because this is me plotting out my weekly levels. If I was doing something like daily levels or 1 hour levels or something much lower, then definitely you will see a lot more touches on the line. But just know that even in those situations, you're gonna see areas where there's gonna be gaps either at the bottom or at the top.